So we don't actually do the rough construction cleaning. We only do the final construction cleaning, which is, once the buildings are ready to go, all the construction's been done, all the huge debris has been removed, then we'll send a group of people to do the actual final cleaning, removing all the dust, mopping, leave it ready for people to start moving in. So, like I said, we don't actually pick up large pieces of debris. We just do the actual final cleaning. But once we do put people in that position, we always assign a quality control supervisor to make sure that they are supervising them and making sure that they're doing a good job. Well, each construction clean is different depending on the scope of work that the client provides to us. So it might be one person construction clean that they need a simple touch-up clean ready to go, to a huge group of people, 19, 20, what have you, depending on the size of the building and the areas that they want clean. And like I said, the scope of work, whether that also includes window cleaning, mopping, floor scrubbing, and all of that. So then we'll figure out how many people we have to send for each of those jobs.